Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Tyler from the Disney movie Turning Red. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe, share with a friend. All that good stuff really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so let's get started drawing Tyler. Alright, so to draw Tyler, I'm going to start drawing his eyes. So I'm going to do a line like that and line like that just underneath it. And I'm going to curve this one down a little bit and curve this one down a little bit and connect them. Alright, so inside this shape we're going to do a line like that, a little curvy one, and another one. Okay, now I'm going to do a circle and another little one, and then a bigger one. And this bigger one I'm going to color in dark, like that. Now just above his eye, I'm going to do the eyebrow. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to come on down a bit, and then come on up a bit. So we got kind of a wave here. And up top, we're going to follow along that same shape, that little wave, and then we can kind of draw in all of these little strokes, kind of just like little strokes of hair. Okay, and I'm going to kind of connect right there. So alrighty. So now let's give it a little bit of space and do the other eye. So same thing, just what we did last time. And do this kind of a curved shape. That shape on the bottom, that line on the bottom. And it's okay if they're not the same size. And just try your best to match them up. And then the same on the insides. And put my circle there, and another little one. And then the one on the inside that I'm coloring in dark. And now the eyebrow. I'm going to try to make it kind of match up with that one, but it's okay if it's not exact. So we did another one of those curvy lines. And follow along, same here on the top. And we can fill in with little strokes of hair. I'm going to do just a couple more, maybe a few little stray hairs there. And now let's do the nose. So just a little ways down, we're going to do a little curve like that, and same on the other side. And now we're going to do a little shape like that. Same on the other side, only obviously opposite. And we can kind of connect these, do like a little curve on the bottom. And then we can finish up the little nostrils here and color them in all dark. Not much light there. Alright, so he's looking like he's kind of worried right now, but he shouldn't by the time we're finished our picture. So I'm just going to do like just a little light line up here, a little small curved line. And let's give him a smile. It's going to be a great big smile. So we're going to do, it's like a jelly bean shape for his mouth. There we go, kind of jelly bean-ish, or like Cheeto-ish shape. All right, and so he needs his front teeth. So we're gonna come down here, we're gonna find the little middle spot of the nose and come on down, and then that's where we're gonna put the middle of the two front teeth. All right, so now we are going to go along with our front tooth, and the bottom is curved. And we're going to do the same over on this side, try to make them the same size. And that one's curved too. They're all going to be kind of curved. And then we can just kind of continue. And they're all kind of the same size. But it's okay if they're not all exact. Okay, and now let's do bottom teeth. So looking at this middle point again, I'm going to do a straight line there. And then we got one bottom tooth, another one, and just go along. All right, so Tyler has braces, but he only has them, it looks like he only has them on his front 4 teeth. So to do that, I'm going to do a little square on each of those 4 front teeth. And they're only on the top. And I'm going to connect them with a little line. Like that. Okay, so I'm also going to give Tyler a little bit of a lip, but it's just a very thin one. All right, so he's got a great big smile happening right now. So the little spots in between the teeth, you can color those in dark. Because like the nostrils, not much light. Not much light in there. All right, so let's go to the side of his head right here, and we're going to kind of do the face shape. So I'm going down a little bit, and then we're going to give a little bit of, we're just going to go out this way a little bit for a cheek. And then his pretty round face. And we can start on this side and work our way down. Give a little bit of a cheek there, and come on down and meet that line. Okay, and Tyler has like a band-aid right here on this side, so put that in. I'm going to darken up this top lid as well, just a little bit, and this one just a little bit. Okay. And this bottom one and this bottom one. All right, yeah, I like that a bit better. All right, so now we are going to do the top here of Tyler's headband. So we're gonna go across, gonna curve down a bit when you get to the side of the head there. And instead of doing the top of the headband right here, he's got some hair coming down over it, so I'm going to draw a few bits of curly hair first. So I'm just doing kind of big chunks, big curved chunks of hair. And they're kind of going in, some are curving this way, some are curving that way. But they're big, thick chunks of curls. And I'll put one right here. And I'll put a bit of headband right here. And put a few more curls right here. And put some headband here. All right, I'm gonna do his ears now too. So I'm gonna put a bit of hair just right here, make it a little bit darker, right here, make it a little bit darker, and great big ear. I love his ears, they're so big. And he's got a little earring here. And another great big ear. Try to match up. This one's a little bit higher. Oops, that's okay. So another circle right here for the other earring. And then we're gonna do a curvy shape like that for the inside of the ear. Like that. All right, so let's do a bit more hair. Let's give him some more hair. So kind of the same thing as we were doing previously. Big curly chunks. Maybe some are kind of hanging out a little bit. I'm gonna do some right here. Kind of coming out over the headband a little bit. You can kind of put them in all over the place here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to look exact. I'm gonna put another one there. And I think that's good for Tyler's hair. One little one right here. Okay, so that's all the hair I'm gonna give him right now. Now a neck. So a little line here, little line here. And do a curve. Little line there, and another curve. Actually, I'm gonna do another one right here too, for the neck of his t-shirt he's wearing. Okay, and so he's wearing a jersey. So I'm gonna do a line here and one here. And we can come on down on both sides. And we can do another curved line here for the neck of the jersey. We can do a line here and one here, and it's coming inward like that. It's like for the armpit area. And draw a line there for shoulder. And the other one on the other side. Okay, and a line like that, and a line like that for the t-shirt he's wearing under the jersey. And just a bit of arm right there. And right there, and right there. And the jersey he's wearing has got a number 15 on it. So I'm gonna go up like that, come on down, go down a little bit, over, down. Now we won't really be able to see the full number super well because it's kind of cut off here, but that's okay. So we can just put a 1 and a 5 here on his jersey. All right, and now that I've got Tyler sketched out, I'm gonna start coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Tyler. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.